Hey guys, I'm back with a good news for Xiaomi fans who are still waiting for the next flagship of Xiaomi. The China-based company is now gearing up to launch its next generation Mi smartphone, Mi 7. The upcoming flagship smartphone's realistic renders have surfaced online, revealing the phone's design and a few features. Leaked renders of the smartphone show that the Mi 7 will feature a notch on top of the display similar to the Apple iPhone 10. Further, it suggests that the phone will come with an in-display fingerprint sensor, a technology introduced in Vivo X21 and maybe like Vivo Epix, which has a half-stream of fingerprint sensor. In a leaked render, there is no traditional fingerprint sensor on the phone's back panel or front. Also, no fingerprint sensor seems to have been placed on the side edges. Thus, it seems that the phone will come with an in-display fingerprint reader. We are also expecting the phone to come with a face unlock feature. Unlike its predecessor, the smartphone will come with a metal bag instead of a glass back panel. If this turns out to be true, then the Mi 7 will lack wireless charging support. If the Xiaomi Mi 7 supports wireless charging, it will either have a glass or ceramic bag. The earlier rumor revealed that the Mi 7 will support 7.5-volt wireless charging. That is also available on Apple iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, and iPhone 10 smartphones. The company's recently launched smartphone, Mi Mix 2S, also supports wireless charging. On the back panel of the Mi 7, the camera module is placed on the top right side. It has a dual camera setup with both lenses tagged vertically and LED flashes placed between both the camera sensors. At the center bottom, there is a Mi branding. The volume rocker and the power button are placed on the right side. The leak render shows this smartphone in three colors: gray, red, and blue. The company has not yet confirmed anything related to the upcoming flagship smartphone Mi 7. Since the company recently launched Mi Mix 2S, we expect this Mi 7 to launch after a couple of months. Now let me know what you guys think about it in the comments down below, and make sure to subscribe to this channel for these types of amazing daily tech videos, and I will catch you guys next one. See you soon.